Alright, this is going to be a fun one. This car is rotten. We got rust holes here. We got big, massive rust holes underneath that. All up in here. This is a nasty job. That's that side. That's the worst side, I think. And then this side's the worst up here in the cowl. On the pillar. There's a hole. I don't know if we can see it in here. Holes in there, same as that one. This side's not quite as bad, but it's rusted out. Yeah. Whew. Got my work cut out here. Definitely a job. Oh yeah, oh man. Up in there somehow to see that. Yeah, that's bad. Ain't much left of that cowl panel. Wow. Alright. Let's see what we can do here. I've got parts to put on it, but man, that's going to be a job. Here's our parts car. I don't have much of these horns. I do have the panel underneath here. But, oh man, is the VIN number? Damn VIN number's connected to that. Well, I don't know how I do that. It's for a police officer. He can verify VIN numbers before I remove them if I have to. But it's his own car, so I don't know if he can verify his own stuff, so we might have to get a buddy to come over here and verify these VIN numbers before I remove them. Get some kind of documents and statements. We got titles to both of them, but I'm gonna have to, these are special rivets. I'm gonna have to drill these out because this panel, I might have to use this whole panel here. Depends on how it comes off there, I guess. But yeah, I'm gonna probably have to use that. Yeah, it goes all the way over, all the way up underneath. That's probably gonna be the best bet. Okay, now we got a mosquito problem. A little bit of rain around here and the mosquitoes are ferocious. Okay, I'm gonna start drilling this one out. Windshield's already out, it's just sitting in here. But yeah. Alright, I'm getting attacked. Alright, y'all. Stay tuned. We got a big job ahead of us here. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching.